good people. E&E here from Slip the Jab podcast. I'm going to take you on a little reveal as we look at a little gift I got in the mail. So technically it was at the mail, Lino P, then passed it over to me. So we're going to go through a little box unveil, see a cool gift we got from sponsor. Without further ado, let's take a look. Hopefully my camera skills won't let you down. There we go. We got a little box from Manscaped. All right, let's see what they gave us here. The tab was already open, so. All right. Your balls will thank you. Sweet packaging. Manscaped. All right. I'm going to try to zoom in. All right. All right. I like what you're bringing. I like what you're bringing. Okay. There's a little package they sent, Lino and I, to kind of test it for you all. Give us the good word or not the good word. The packaging's nice. Slide this over. Oh, let's see what we got here. All right. What do we got here? Let me take some things out here. All right. Nice. These are Manscaped boxer briefs. Very cool. I'll let you know how those go. What else we got? All right. Some trimmers. I own, I don't know, several pairs, at least 3 or 4. I shouldn't say pairs, 3 or 4 sets of trimmers. Cordless, corded. The weight is nice. Ergonomics are nice. It's a lot more comfortable than the several pair I already have, to be perfectly honest with you. Let's see here. I don't know if they... Oh! Alright. They're already charged up out of the box. They got a light. Alright, they're already ahead of the game. I don't have any with a light on them, so... You already got some points with me. I gotta test you out to see, though. What is this? What do we got here? What do we got? Trying to film with one hand and open with the other. Alright, we got directions, charging. Cool. Moving right along. A little glare from the light. Forgive me. Manscaped Crop Reviver. The refreshing ball toner with active pH control. And we have Manscaped Crop Preserver. This is the anti-chafing ball deodorant, my friends. Let's see. Pretty neat. I'll have to open this up and give a full review. Not at this moment. I'm just kind of taking things out, doing a little review out of the box. But the packaging is pretty exceptional. Feeling it. Like I said, we'll go into more detail a little bit later. Alright, what do we have here? Manscaped Refining the Gentleman. Let's see if I can get this open with one hand. See what's in here. Looks like we have the charger and the guard for the trimmers. Man, I gotta say they went all out in the packaging and marketing, which, if you know me and Lino, you know we're big fans of that. We want things to be an experience. That appears to be the cord. I don't think I can get that open with one hand. All right. Charger. On the guards. All right, let's see. This thing lifts up. Sorry if I'm shaky. I'm, like I said, holding this with one hand and filming with the other. Not my strong suit. Manscaped, let's go mowing. Alright, more instructions. Oh, the do's and don'ts. You don't want to nick up your boys, your gentles. That'd be rough. Oh, pretty sweet bag here. I like this. I like this. I'm definitely going to take everything out of the box and keep it in here. What do we have? Newspaper. This is good. This is good. What do we got? Alright. We got some humorous stuff, it appears. We have some directions, it appears. This is, I'm not going to open this all up because, again, I only have one hand, but it appears to be quite the interesting, fun reading material. So, a little tongue-in-cheek with directions. Excellent job. Excellent job so far, Manscaped. Kudos to you guys, but I still haven't done the real test of using and critiquing your products yet, but I have to admit, right out of the box, you have my attention. You have my attention, so I'm gonna get back to you probably with another video after I use some of these products, and I'll let you know what I think, and then we'll go from there. If we like it, you're gonna hear a lot more about it. Shout it from the rooftops and support everybody involved. So, initially I want to say thanks, Manscaped, and slipthejabpodcast.com. See you guys later. Thanks.